Okay, in this video we're going to look at how we find fractions of quantities. I'm going to start with some familiar ones to give us the idea of what actually is going on mathematically. So we start off, we're trying to find a half of 24. Well, I think through lots of maths we know that half of 24 is 12. And we arrive at that because we do 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. So let's look at another one we're familiar with. We're going to take a quarter. Well, let's take a quarter of 24. And however we do it, we know that a quarter of 24 will be 6 because of you do a half of 24 is 12, another half gives you 6. And looking at that again, what we're really doing is taking 24, dividing by 4, and that gives us 6. So in the first two, we're dividing by the denominator. So if we wanted to find a third of, say, 24, well, what we'd actually be doing is taking 24 and dividing that by 3, and 24 divided by 3 gives us 8. So 1/3 of 24 gives us 8. And what this is saying, if we split 24 into 3 parts, we would have 8 in each of them. So just taking one more example like this, if we were looking for 1/6, say, of 42, we would work out 42 divided by 6, which would give us 7. So 1/6 of 42 is 7. I'm going to continue now by looking how we find 2/3. So rather than saying 1/3 of a quantity, I'm going to find 2/3. But if you think of it as 2/3 being twice as much of something as 1/3, then we'll see how this one works. So what we're going to start off by doing is finding 1/3 of 36. And as we saw earlier, to find out 1/3 of a number, we take the number, which is 36, divide by 3, and that will give us 12. So 1/3 of 36 is 12. So then, to find 2/3, we're going to take 2 lots of the answer to 1/3. So it'll be 2 times 12, which gives us 24. So we start off, let's just circle a few things on here. The first bit we do is we divide our quantity by 3. So that gives us 1/3. Then to find 2/3, we multiply by the 2 on the top. So how many thirds are we looking for? So altogether, 2/3 of 24 will give us 12. Let's proceed. By this time we're going to look at 4/7 of 49. So we're going to start off by finding 1/7 of 49. Well, that's going to be equal to 49 divided by 7. So that will give us 7. So 1/7 of 49 is 7. So if we want 4/7 of 49, we're going to take our answer up here, which was 7, and we're going to multiply that by 4, i.e. the number of sevenths we're looking for. And 7 fours are 28. So 4/7 of 49 is 28. And I'll continue with one more example. So we're going to be looking for 5/6 of 72, for example. So we start off by finding 1/6 of 72, and that's equal to 72 divided by 6, which gives us 12. And then to find 5/6 of 72, we take the answer for 1/6, which is 12, and multiply that by 5. So 12 5s are 60. So what we're doing each time is dividing by the denominator, and then we multiply the answer to that by the numerator.